I'm Denise, and welcome to my dressing room. Oh my gosh, guys, today I'm so excited. I was able to get a keep haul that I actually thought I would never ever be able to find, for one thing, and then also obviously at a really good price. But remember I said the lady that I purchased this from, she was getting rid of her collection, and then she was keeping some pieces. Well, I guess you're wondering why there's a big empty space in front of me. So I'll just show you. And it is heavy. Oh my gosh. Right, guys? Let's move these flowers out of the way. This is the Keep All 45. And of course, because she purchased it brand new, it comes with everything. Look at these handles. She said she rarely used this. She said she has all the keep alls in the monogram, the damier band. So she said this one she would use just occasionally. But oh my gosh, like I'm so happy. I was happy when I got the Speedy, and I think this actually just completes my set, what I wanted. I will use the keep all for travel. Like I said before in all my videos, I use my stuff. They may be on a shelf here, but they are used. So let's just look at this again. And it is quite heavy because I have it stuffed. Just admire the details. It just, and the colorway I actually like. It is more of the blues with the purple, but I love it. There's the tag there. There's made in France. There's the gorgeous pull tab. And then, you know what, I'm gonna have to move these flowers over because I might just knock them over here. There we go. What was I saying? The gorgeous stud details along here. 2 front pockets. So with the oh my gosh, I always say it wrong, right? Alcantara lining. Let's see. There we go. There's the second pocket. Let me lift this up, see if I can do this here. No, I can't, but it's the same pockets as the Speedies with the same lining. Like I said, just a gorgeous bag, and I'm definitely going to be traveling in September, so this is coming along with me. Actually, I'll put it down here. Oh, and the sorry, let's look at the corners here. I always get so excited when I show a bag that I really like. There, and then it has the bottom. Even has the studs at the bottom. The vachetta, like I said, is in really good condition. There is, which you probably noticed when I brought it up close, there are like a few watermarks, but that don't bother me at all. And as this is a 45, it's perfect for me because when I'm traveling, especially when I'm traveling to Mexico. I don't need that much anymore, so I could just take this as a carry-on and I'd be fine. Here is, I haven't even taken it out of this yet. So, and again, just like her Speedy, she never used these. So it's got the tags here. I'll just put that there. It has the gorgeous luggage tag, and then the handle for the handle holder for at the top there. And here you can actually really see the difference in the patina of the vachetta. It came with, look at this. Let's see. This could like be a body bag, right? Or a dress. This is the original dust bag, and you can see that it has the LV there. Very huge. Like I said, I'm 5'3". Well, it's a huge bag, right? So there, that's it on me. I'm actually happy with this because that means I can, and that's what I do with my other bags. I think I said that in my Celine luggage tote. I take the dust bags and then I will put them inside the dust bags and then just put it on top or, you know, beside me, depending how I'm flying. But I will use the dust bags to keep them looking good, and I don't have a problem once and I do this in the security lineup, so I'll take out all electronics, blah blah blah. Then I'll just put this inside the bag while I'm standing there in line, and if the security needs to go through it, they'll just tell me to take it out. But that hasn't happened as long as I have all my electronics and stuff out. So I'm so happy to have the original. And like I said, I don't think I've ever had an original dust bag from that time period. I have it completely stuffed. Sweater dress, blanket I sew. I used to sew, by the way. So I've sewed all these flannel blankets, and I've had so much flannel material left over because I don't sew anymore. I haven't sewed in years, but I've been using them to stuff my bags because they do the purpose. So here is and just trying to feel, no pockets. Here is the gorgeous interior. I just have no words. I feel so, I'm just so happy that I was able to get this, and I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna love it. It's gonna stay in my collection forever. It's like my Chanel bags. Once I love a bag, that's it. It just stays with me forever. So, and the zipper is a little bit, let me just, I mean, the zipper works fine. It's a little, I don't know how you say it. It's not smooth, that's what I'm saying. So I have to go like this. You hear that? Yeah, it's not, and I've got it stuffed so the blankets and stuff, I gotta make sure they don't catch in the hooks. There we go. And then it has the lock here. Let's just try it. I haven't even tried that yet. It's hard for me to do this on camera all the time. Oh, there we go. Hang on. There. You hear that? Let's try that again. Yeah, very nice. I'm like I said, I'm so excited, and probably said that a million times in this video. People are like, oh my God. But you know, you handbag lovers, you know exactly what I mean when you find something that you really love, and then you find it at a really good price. It's just such a great feeling, and I think that is it for my little collection that I said like I wanted years and years ago. But back then I would have never been able to afford this keep all in the 45. So it's really nice to have it now in my collection and to be used. I think that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I just wanted to say thanks to all my subscribers and the ones who have been with me from the beginning of my short 5 months that I've been on YouTube. I really appreciate it, and I'm having so much fun doing this, sharing my love for handbags. So I'm glad that you guys join me each week. So yeah, I think that's about it. I think I've said that 3 times again too. Okay, everyone. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.